ko'y nagmula sa'yo. Sa iyong ganda ang puso'y di makalimot. Tuwing kapiling ka, tanging nadarama ang pagsilip ng bituin sa iyong mga mata. Ang saya nitong pag-ibig, sana ay di na mag-iiba. Ang pangarap ko, ang iyong pinubuhay, ngayong nagmamahal ka sa'kin ng tunay. At ang himig mo'y parang musika, nagpapaligaya sa munting nagwawala. Ang sarap nitong pag-ibig, lalo pa nung sinabi mo, dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo, dadalhin hanggang langit, may manibago. Ang lahat ng ito'y pinangako mo, dadalhin lang pala ng hangin ang pangarap ko. Nang mawalay ka sa aking pagsinta, bawat saglit kaping lamig ang himig ko. Hanap ay yakap mo, haplos ng iyong puso, parang walang ligtas kundi ang lumuha. Ang hapdi din nitong pag-ibig, umasa pa sa sinabi mo, dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo, dadalhin hanggang langit ay manibago. Ang lahat ng ito'y pinangako mo, dadalhin lang pala ng hangin ang pangarap ko. Umiiyak, umiiyak ang puso ko, alaala pa ng sinabi mo nung nadarama pa ang pag-ibig mo. Dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo, dadalhin hanggang langit ay manibago. Ang lahat ng ito'y pinangako mo, dadalhin lang pala ng hangin ang pangarap ko. Oh my God, hindi ko alam. Ibago ang lahat ng ito'y pinangako mo. Hinlang pala ng hangin ang pangarap ko. Sorry, nawala ako sa last part. Hindi ko na-realize na doon na pala yung taas na part. Sorry. Oh my God. Okay. Ano to? Sining. Oh my God, sining. Wait lang, check natin if meron akong recording ng singing para hindi tayo mahirapan kasi duet yun eh. Hirap-hirap pag sinolo ko yun eh. Singing. See, love is not a flower until they bloom. Like the first time in life, the day I met you. Hate to think hate to see that you're gonna die someday. 1,000 years won't do. Paano yung I Love You by Celine Dion? Gusto ko maano yan. Paano yan? Paano kantahin yan? Paano yan? Ito ba yung ay, bakit delay? Wait lang. Wait lang. I think alam ko to. I think alam ko to. Ay, pang ano to eh. Sige. Sige. Ito try ko to. In my eyes. 'Cause when now I know that you're feeling the way that I do. And I whisper these words until I hear by my side. I love you. I love you. You say you love me too. These three words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Hindi ko alam tong, yun lang alam ko eh. Sorry. Ba't hindi mo na pinipilit itaas range mo? Ayoko, masisira boses ko dun. Hanap tayo, hanap tayo. Nasaan na ba yung ano ko? Wait. How do you... Paano nga to? Paano nga tong how do you heal a broken heart? Wait lang. Check natin yung chorus. A broken heart that feels like it will never be as much again. Oh no, I just can't let it go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love this much again? Oh no, tonight could be right. Tomorrow I'll pretend to let you go. Yun lang alam ko, sorry. Hindi ko nakatay. Ito na lang. 2020 era. Miss ko na yung dalawa. When you're down and troubled and you need some love and care. Ooh. And nothing, no, nothing is going right. of me. And soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest night. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there. Yeah, yeah. You've got a friend, a friend. Oh my God. If the sky above you goes dark and full of clouds, nakalimutan ko na to, and that old wind should begin to blow, keep your head together and call my name out loud, and soon I'll be knocking upon your door. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running. Oh yes, to see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you got to do is call, and I'll be there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now ain't it good to know that you've got a friend when people can be so cold? They'll hurt you and desert you and take your soul if you let them, but don't you let them. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. Whoa, don't you know that winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there. Yes, I will. You've got a friend. You've got a friend. Yeah. You've got a friend. Ano yung Forever by Mariah Carey? Oh my God, paano to? Wait lang. Pakinggan natin yung Forever ni Mariah muna. Hindi ko kaya to.
As long
Ang daming runs. Ang okay. Ang okay na runs. Ibang Mariah Carey na lang. Ano? Ay! Ano ba yan? You always need the only one. Ano ba? Sana kaya ko to. In the rain, with nowhere to run, when you're distraught and in pain, without anyone, when you keep crying out Male Key Defying Gravity, nakanta ko na kanina. Sayang. Tulog na, may quiz pa tayo. Matutulog na ako ng mga 1:30. So, meron pa akong ilang minute. Bakit siya may nakakainis? Naririnig ko siya. May problema na yata sa wiring ko eh. Hi, Kers. Ay, nasa bus ka ba? Anong oras ka ba makakarating? Thank you, thank you. Ay, wait lang. Mamaya yan. How do I live without you? I want to know, how do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I? Only. Okay, sige, only. Bakit may ganun? Nakainis. Ano ba yan? Okay, nawala na siya. Be my only love, 이렇게 부르고 싶은 이 내 곁에서는 자꾸 겠어. Be my only one, 이렇게 부르고 싶은 이 내 곁에서 널 잡고서 같이 걸어요. so much. Thank you so much. Close your eyes, give me your hand, darling. Do you feel my heart beating? Do you understand? Do you feel the same? Am I only dreaming? Is this burden an eternal flame? I believe. You believe, we believe. Ano ba yan? Pinagtitripan ko na naman yung kanta. Huwag na nga. Ano bang kakantahin ko kasi? Hindi ko alam yung kakantahin ko. Do you feel the same? Why? Do one night without you. Ang taas. If I had to live without you, what kind of life would that be? Oh, I need you in my arms, need you to hold. You're my world, my heart, my soul. If you ever leave, well, baby, you take away everything good in my life. And tell me now, Sige, ito na nga. Sige na nga. Last song. Pag ako pumiyok dito, kasalanan mo to. Si Lizzy. Ay, nagsalita pala siya. Sorry. Honey, you don't have to play no games. No. All I need is all your loving to get the blood rushing through my veins. Oh, I wanna say we're going steady, like it's 1954. No, it doesn't have to be forever, just as long as I'm the name on your tattooed heart. Oh, babe. No, yeah. You don't need to worry about making me crazy, 'cause I'm way past that. And so just call me if you want me, 'cause you got me, and I'll show you how much I wanna be on your tattooed heart. Oh, babe. I hate you. I hate you. The name on your tattooed heart. Wrap me in your jacket, my baby, and lay me in your bed and kiss me underneath the moonlight. Darling, let me trace the line on your tattooed heart. Oh, baby. Just as long as I'm the name on your tattooed heart. Thank you so much, guys. Matutulog na ako. Ay, hindi pala ako makakatulog kasi may gagawin pa ako, pero thank you so much. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa live na to kahit sobrang spontaneous tong live na to, no? Like, grabe. Bukas na to wala na akong boses. Tapos mag-record pa yata kami. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Thank you sa lahat ng greetings, sa lahat ng mga nagbigay ng gifts, sa lahat ng nasaan na yung ano ko dito? Yan. Okay, thank you so much. Wait lang, magsa-sound effects tayo ng concert. Oh, thank you! Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much sa mga games na binigay nyo. Sa lahat po ng mga nanood, Sobrang daming nanonood kanina. Thank you so much. If I could take it, if I could make it through the night, I held on to my faith, I struggled and not break. Now I'm ready. Are you in Davao right now? No, wala ako sa Davao right now.